ప్యారిస్ ఒలింపిక్స్‌లో మన టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ సంబంధించి మంచి ప్రదర్శన కనపరిచినప్పటికి కూడా మనకింకా పతకం రాలేదు. సో, ఈ మెడల్ ఆశలు ఎప్పుడు తీరతాయి? సో, మన ఫ్యూచర్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ సంబంధించి ఎట్లా ఉంది? ఎట్లా ఉండబోతుంది? ఇంకా ఏం ప్లాన్ చేస్తే గనక ఎటువంటి చర్యలు తీసుకుంటే మనకి మెడలొచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది? చైనాని దాటి ఈ సౌత్ కొరియా గాని, మిగిలిన ప్లేయర్స్‌ని దాటి, మిగిలిన దేశాలను దాటి మెడల్ గెలుచుకునే అవకాశం ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి మనతో మాట్లాడడానికి ఫార్మర్ ప్లేయర్, కోచ్ ఏదైతే రీసెంట్‌గా ప్యారిస్ ఒలింపిక్స్‌కి శ్రీజ ఆకుల మెంటర్‌గా అలాగే ఇండియన్ కంటింజెంట్‌గా వెళ్ళిన సోమనాథ్ ఘోష్ మనతో ఉన్నారు. మనం మాట్లాడదాం. ఆయన ఏమంటారో. హాయ్ సోమనాథ్ ఘోష్. సో, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? సో, వాట్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్ ఒపీనియన్ అబౌట్ ద రీసెంట్ ప్యారిస్ ఒలింపిక్స్ జర్నీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్?
See, I think when the Olympic comes, then only we talk about the Olympics, and then only we expect medals. So in the 4 years, we don't talk about anything. Before Olympics, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months back, only we talk about Olympics, and after we lose any matches or after we lose, then only we talk about the Olympics. So it has to start from the grassroots level. If we want more medals, it has to start with 6 7 years old when our kids are very young. So I think that's how we got to know. Then China, Japan, they start their R&D when they are 6 to 7 years old or 8 years old. So and they're Olympic. They are having Olympic villages where they once you go there, they can meet their parents once or twice in a year. So I think there is something has to do. I think government nowadays is doing a lot of things. They're spending money a lot, but I think there should be a process how to spend and what to do. Grassroots level is the only thing where you can expect medals. If you have future plans, suppose we are taking. That's why I heard that we are taking 2036 Olympics. So I think the momentum should start immediately. We have lost 6 to 8 medals in fourth positions. It means we are progressing, but not till that we are not reaching there. So I think this year, all racket sports like badminton, table tennis, they did really well. First time in Olympic history, India has reached pre-quarter final in singles and team quarter final in women's singles in women's event. Lakshya Sen played first time semi-final in badminton. So we are almost there, but there is something. But this is like I think all coaches have told. I think Sunil Chetri is in interview also. I was this is like from somewhere somebody is coming and doing something. There is no lot. There is no there is no numbers. Numbers are very less.
అంటే ఇన్‌ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చరే కంప్లీట్‌గా చాలా స్టేట్స్‌లో చాలా ఏరియాల్లో కూడా చాలా టౌన్స్‌లో కూడా ఇంకా డెవలప్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం అయితే కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. ఎందుకంటే అది టీటీ కావచ్చు, అదర్ స్పోర్ట్స్ కావచ్చు ఎక్సెప్ట్ క్రికెట్. మిగిలిన ప్రతి ఇన్‌ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా డెవలప్ చేయాలంటే అసోసియేషన్‌లో ఐఓఏ అలాగే గవర్నమెంట్ సపోర్ట్ కూడా ఉండాలి. దీని గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు?
I think this is you can see my academy being an Olympian, a national champion, two national champions, three national champions, but still I have very small academy. I asked help to everyone that sir please give me some support where I can make champions from Telangana. At least I think government support, I need little bit of government support so that my good work can carry on. So Gopi sir is having own setup. Prakash Parugan is having own setup, and nowadays everywhere having a good setup for badminton, for tennis, table tennis. Also, different states are also having very good setup. But I think if we need to do something in Telangana, so I think government has to support a little bit. So I wish this new government has come. So I wish they will support me a little bit so that I can produce more. And there is 2028 Olympic where Shrija may get a medal. We don't know. This is a very narrowly we missed it. I can't say narrowly, but yes, we could have done it. We could have done it. So I think yes, uh, government influence, government uh, is support is very much needed for us.
ఓకే. అయితే మనికా బత్రా ఆర్ శ్రీజ ఆకుల. సో, ఒక 2 హోప్స్ మనకైతే నియర్ ఫ్యూచర్ మేబీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఈవెంట్స్‌లో కావచ్చు, ఒలింపిక్స్ కావచ్చు, ఒక మంచి హోప్స్ కావచ్చు. వాళ్ళ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఎలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయిందనుకుంటున్నారు లాస్ట్ ఒక 2, 3 ఇయర్స్‌గా?
I think this is all all effort goes to government, all effort goes to the federation, association, and the coaches, personal coaches who are taking. So like Shrija is with me like so many years, more than a decade, and Manika is having a partner. He's for like long time from Belarus. He is here, and recently he is getting trained under Aman Balgu. So I think we personal coaches has a lot of sacrifices. I think I have done my lot of sacrifices for Shrija for last over the decade. So this is one of the thing, and one more thing is we we are thinking big. Before we never used to think that we can reach there. When we started, I never thought that Shrija will become now. Today is the day when Shrija is world number 21. This is the first woman or first player who reached in this place in table tennis ever. Today is the ranking. Shrija is number 21. So I think this is the time where we can think big and we should think big. We started dreaming. I think in 2028 or 2032, if government, federation, and state government all have to come, all have to sacrifice, all have to support so that we can do something good.
ఓకే, వాట్ అబౌట్ శరత్ కమల్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? మోర్ దాన్ 2 decades ఈజ్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ ప్లేయర్. సో బట్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఈ మిసెస్ ద, అంటే మెడల్ వస్తుంది అనే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్తో వెళ్ళారు. సో అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ హీ డిడ్ నాట్ గెట్ ద మెడల్. సో పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ పరంగా, అతని కెరీర్ పరంగా మీరేం చెప్తారు? ఐ థింక్ యూత్ చాలామంది యంగ్స్టర్స్కి అతను కూడా ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గానే చెప్పుకోవాలి టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ పరంగా. మీరేమంటారు?
He is the legend of Indian table tennis. If he gets a medal, if he doesn't get a medal, that doesn't mean. I think he has a lot of medals in Commonwealth, Asian Games, Asian Championships. Only Olympic medal is not the. But I think it's very difficult for boys right now. The the standard of against China, and the bad luck is they were playing against China. Sharat Singh individual loss, yes, we were really hopeful for that match, but there was something happened that particularly match Sharat was in very good shape. I was with him for last 1 month. He was in very good shape. So we were expecting something from Sharat, but a day can be a bad day. So I think Sharad is all over. I don't know Sharad will continue. I hope he will continue till Asian Championship and Commonwealth Games. But if he doesn't continue, also he will be the hero of us.
అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫ్యూచర్ స్టార్స్ ఆఫ్ మెన్స్ కేటగిరీ? సో హూ మీ మైండ్లో ఎవరున్నారు? మేబీ మన ఇండియన్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ సంబంధించి ఫ్యూచర్లో ఎవరు మనకి హోప్ కనుకోవచ్చు?
See, now the junior batch is like Manav Thakkar, Manu Shah, Snehit, Jeet Chandra. They all are playing well, but I think they have to touch that level. I think Satyan, Sharat, and Harmeet, they were little bit. Sharat is always much senior, but Satyan and Harmeet also are doing very well. Satyan has really done well in his past, but I think still Satyan hasn't end yet. But these guys, I think Manav, Manush, Snehit, and Jeet, we have a lot of hope from them. And there's one more guy called Ankur Bhattacharya, Payas Jain. They are also the future. After these four, I think these two will come. But we have a lot of hope on these four. So Manav is really playing well nowadays, and Manush is also doing well. So I think India, if we can give them good facilities, good opportunities, so I think India will be there.
ఓకే, ఫైనల్గా మీరు యాజ్ ఎ ప్లేయర్గా అప్పటికి ఇప్పటికి ఏం గమనించారు? ఐ మీన్ ఏం డిఫరెన్సెస్ చూసారు గేమ్లో ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్? లైక్ అల్టిమేట్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ కానీ ఇంకా గేమ్లో చాలా చేంజెస్ వచ్చినాయి. సో ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఎట్లా అయింది మీరు ఆడిన రోజులకి ఇప్పటికి? సో ఎట్లా డిఫరెన్స్ ఎట్లా చెప్తారు?
I think difference has started from Sharat when he left India and went to train in Germany. So I think nowadays there is a lot of exposure. Government is also supporting us, central government and federation supporting us. Players are going outside and getting trained in Germany, Spain, China, Taipei. Everybody is going out. So I think this is the major difference between that time and this time. We never I was in top 60 in India, but we never went out. We never trained outside. So nowadays, because of all those support and NGOs, sports NGOs especially like OGQ, Go Sports, Dream Sports Foundation, then Lakshya, the NGOs are also sports NGOs are also supporting. I think this is the time where IT companies also, like in my academy, I got supported from the controllers, Raheja, PwC. So that's how I am here now. I went with Shrija every tournament. So that is how I think the responsibility has to taken over by them. So that's why I think this is the major factor, because players are going out, getting trained there. That is a major factor to improve.
Okay, finally, one word. When would we expect table tennis Olympic medal in table tennis?
See,
I
this
think
time
it's a long journey, but your thoughts?
4 years. So 4 years is a long time. I wish. See, I can't say it will be a medal, but our girls perform the way they perform. 2028 to 32, we may get a medal.
Next two Olympics.
Next to Olympics.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సోమనాథ్. సో రాబోయే 2 ఒలింపిక్స్లో అంటే 2028 ఆర్ 2032 కల్లా ఇండియన్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్కి సంబంధించి మన గేమ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది, ఖచ్చితంగా మెడల్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ అయితే హోప్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అని చెప్పేసి సోమనాథ్ ఘోష్ చెప్తున్నారు. కెమెరామెన్ సిద్ధారెడ్డితో కలిసి నరేష్, డైల్ న్యూస్, హైదరాబాద్.